the only way to teach the upcoming is to give them your experience of the game. I'm not listening to no motherfucker in the suit and tie telling me to go to counseling or do this or do that. The only motherfucker that can teach me is a motherfucker before me that experienced it. You show me a hustler today that retired on top, and I want to talk to him. But give me that motherfucker that I praise with the Jack Pro sales. You feel me? And you give me your story, because you the only motherfucker that can save me, because you the only nigga I was looking up to when I was young. You had the bitches, you had the car, you had the money. That was what I wanted. I wanted the chain. I wanted the sweatsuits. I wanted the sneakers to match. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers don't understand that. It take negativity to heal negativity. It do. Now imagine a Hustler Museum. Oh, there go Lil Brucey, or there go Big Bo, or there go Bob from Northside, or there go this nigga from the East Side, or there go this nigga from Newcastle. What's the outcome of his story? He in the paper. Why in the paper? Because he in the Bing. Now his story ends. Y'all stop following this story. Continue to follow the fucking story. The outcome is the fucking same. You going to get caught. Point blank period. Point blank period. You're not smarter than the motherfucker before you. So, the politicians go to the hustler that was the shit in the street to get him to calm the people down. Because they can't. They can't. They tell me to go out there and talk to him. Because y'all can't. Blackwell, you know him. You still got a connection with the street. Yeah, motherfucker, I can go to him and tell him put his shit down. Yo, man, put that gun down. Nah, you going to jail, you going to jail, you going to jail. Hustler Museum. All articles of everybody from fucking 86 to now. And read the motherfucking article, read the story, follow the story, and see where the fuck they end up at. Now, can't nobody, it's not a counseling thing, it's not a mental thing, don't make it a non-profit organization type of bullshit. It took a real nigga with the experience of the game to help a motherfucker that's in the game. Because you don't, but they say, what's the old saying? You don't think the stove hot till you fucking touch it. And some motherfuckers gotta touch it. We had to touch it. She fucking told me, but I didn't listen, and now I got burnt, and now I know it's hot. So it take real niggas that experience this shit to only help the new generation coming up. That's my motto. It's just my opinion. You know what I mean? Y'all can take it how the fuck you want to take it. But, you know what I mean? I'm a real nigga. I'm a real G. And I done been through this shit. You know what I mean? The only thing saved me was the death of my motherfucking mom to quit. Because I had motherfuckers before me, after me, that I had to take care of that's looking at my story now. Looking at my situation now. It ain't about what I want. It's about helping motherfucker coming up after me. And they still gonna do the wrong shit. They gotta touch the motherfucking stove before they realize it's hot. And then that's where we gotta be like, yo, boom, 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 boom. I already did what you did. I already been where you been. There's no other outcome. Real shit. J-Lab.